Welcome to my channel Hare Krishna Law. It's not just a channel, it's a family. Family consisting of me and you. Without you, this channel is nothing. Today we are going to discuss the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. We see old age persons, senior citizen roaming here and there for justice, getting kicked out from their own children's, denial the right to maintain at their very old age when they expect that their children will maintain. The children turns them down and all hopes are gone in vain. An old age person feels himself very helpless in such a hard time. So what does he do? Where does he go? This act provides him a platform for asking the remedy of his grievances. Here the remedies are available. If the child is not maintaining, he can get maintenance from his child. If somebody has made a fraud with his property, he can take back his property by filing an application here. So there are various provisions. One just has to look inside. Now let's discuss those provisions one by one. Let's start with the Act. How far this Act applies? What is the jurisdiction of this Act regarding the whole states of India? This Act will apply in all the states of India. After the eradication of Section 370 and 35A, it will also apply in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now let's come to the definition clause. In definition clause, several things are explained. By children, we mean son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter, and one who is not minor, not below the age of 18 years. The definition of children will be read with and in consonance with the definition of parents. Parent means biological parents, step parents, and by senior citizen we mean a person, a citizen of India who is 60-year old. By relative we mean legal heir. Legal heir of a senior citizen who is in the possession of the property of senior citizen and who is taking benefit out of that property, or who is going to inherit the property of senior citizen after his death. In this Act, by maintenance we mean facility of providing food, residence, clothing, medical treatment and attendance. What does this mean? This means the old age person, the senior citizen, will be provided with proper food, adequate food, a proper residential condition, proper clothings, proper medical treatment and attendance and medical health care treatment. In this regard, medical treatment not only includes medical treatment but it also includes adult diapers and other basic necessities and amenities which are required for the maintenance of an adult person. By welfare we mean state government will provide the facility of welfare to the senior citizens by opening recreation centers, residential facilities and other amenities for welfare of senior citizens. In this Act, Chapter 3, Section 19, Chapter 4, Section 20, Chapter 5, Section 23, Chapter 6, Section 24 to 25 and Chapter 27, 27 to 28 talks about the welfare of senior citizen. In definition clause, by property we mean several kinds of property. Tangible property, which can be seen, which can be perceived by the senses, whereas intangible property is also covered. Mean to say an old age person, a senior citizen, having earned a goodwill for some creative work of his own and some other person is earning out of it, that is the goodwill of that senior citizen. Movable property, immovable property, self-owned property, self-acquired property, ancestral property, all these properties in regard to senior citizen and parents. Now, what do we understand by tribunal in this act? Tribunal means a maintenance tribunal constituted under Section 7 for the welfare and maintenance of senior citizens and parents. Now, Section 3 of this Act says that this Act has overriding effect over other acts. Means this Act will supersede other acts where the provisions are enshrined in this Act. The provisions of this Act will supersede the provisions of other acts. No other Act provision will interfere with the provisions of this Act. Howsoever, the provision provided in this Act will override the provisions available in other acts similar in regard to welfare and maintenance of senior citizens.